Welcome back to Okamsozor. Today, we're diving into something really cool. Did you know Coca-Cola isn't just a drink? Its acidity makes it a secret weapon for all sorts of cleaning hacks. We've got tips and tricks to show you how to use Coca-Cola to clean practically anything, from rust, odor, till household appliance, and more. So let's get started. Rusty coins. Soak old coins in Coke for a few hours, and they'll come out shining. Rusty bolts and tools. Soak rusted bolts and tools in Coke. Wait a few minutes, and they'll loosen right up. Toilet bowls. Pour a can into your toilet bowl, let it sit, and scrub for a sparkling finish. Tile grout. Pour Coke onto dirty tile grout, scrub, and watch the dirt disappear. Burnt pots. Have a burnt pan? Pour in some Coke, heat, let it sit, and the grime lifts right off. Outdoor furniture. Wipe down plastic outdoor furniture with Coke for a quick cleanup. Chrome polish. Use Coke with a little aluminum foil to make chrome surfaces shine. Shower heads. Soak your shower head in Coke overnight to dissolve hard water deposits. Gum in hair. Got gum stuck? Soak the gum area in Coke to make it easy to remove. Skunk smell. Got sprayed? Rinse with Coke before your usual soap to help cut the smell. 11. Garbage disposal. Pour Coke down the disposal to neutralize bad smells. Sticky glasses. Rub Coke on sticky glasses to clean up residue, then rinse. Shoe odors. Pour a small amount inside your shoes and rinse out to neutralize the smell. Crayon marks. Rub Coke on crayon marks on walls for an easy clean. Outdoor grill. Soak grill racks in Coke to loosen up stuck-on food. Oil stains on driveway. Pour Coke on oil stains, let it sit, then scrub with a brush. 19. Microwave stains. Wipe down with a Coke-soaked cloth to remove stains inside. 20. Refrigerator shelves, sticky shelf. Use Coke to wipe it clean, then rinse. 21. Dishwasher cleaner. Pour a can in your dishwasher and run an empty cycle to freshen it up. 22. Kettle lime scale. Pour Coke into your kettle, let it sit, then rinse to remove buildup. 23. Coffee maker. Run Coke through your coffee maker for a thorough clean, then rinse with water. 24. Oven racks. Soak racks in Coke for an easy scrub-off. 25. Headlights. Clean foggy headlights with Coke on a soft cloth for extra shine. 26. Freezer frost. Pour Coke over frosted spots to melt the ice quickly. 27. Shower curtain rings. Remove rust from metal rings with a quick Coke soak. 28. Glass door. Doors. Use a Coke-soaked cloth to clean glass shower doors, then rinse. 29. Cutlery polish. Soak tarnished cutlery in Coke for a shiny finish. Soak 30. White ceramic mugs. Remove coffee stains by soaking mugs in Coke. 31. Kitchen sinks. Pour Coke into your sink to dissolve tough stains. 32. Countertops. Pour Coke over any sticky spots, wipe, then rinse. 33. Stove burners. Soak burners in Coke to remove grease buildup. 34. Backsplash tiles. Wipe with Coke to remove stubborn stains. 35. Wine stains. Pour Coke over fresh wine stains on fabric to help lift them. 36. Microwave odors. Pour Coke into a bowl and microwave it for a few seconds to help with odors. 37. Plastic food containers. Soak containers in Coke to remove stubborn food stains. 38. Blood stains. Pour Coke over fresh blood stains, then wash. 9. Grease stains on clothes. Pour Coke on grease stains, then wash as usual. 40. Carpet stains. Pour a bit on carpet stains, let sit, then blot with a clean towel. 41. Upholstery stains. Dab Coke on fabric stains, then blot with a damp cloth. 42. Pet stains. Pour Coke over pet stains to lift odor and discoloration. 43. Leather shoes. Clean scuffs off leather shoes with a small amount of Coke. 44. Handbags. Wipe down with Coke for a quick shine, then rinse. 45. Car mats. Pour Coke on rubber mat, scrub, then rinse for a clean look. 46. Car seat stains. Dab Coke on seat stains, scrub, and rinse with soapy water. 47. Brass door handles. Shine up brass with a Coke-soaked cloth. 48. One garden tools. Soak rusty tools in Coke to make them good as new. 49. Garage floors. Pour Coke on stained concrete floors and scrub with a stiff brush. 50. Windows and mirrors. Wipe windows and mirrors with Coke, then rinse for streak-free shine. 51. Aluminum pots. Boil Coke in aluminum pots to remove tarnish. 52. Bike chains and tires. Use Coke to remove rust from bike chains and shine up the tires. 53. Adhesive residue. Soak adhesive spots to remove sticky residue. 54. Unclog drains. Pour a bottle of Coke down the drain to dissolve buildup. 55. Blinds. Wipe blinds with Coke to remove dust and grime. 56. Whiteboards. Use Coke to clean permanent marker off a whiteboard. Washing machine cleaner. Pour Coke into your washing machine and run a cycle for a fresh smell. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.